Very tasty guys, very tasty. Hi guys, good morning everyone. We are its fast cook videos.
So guys, it's our long forest cooking videos.
Today we are cook prawn fish, so please watch these videos completely.
And subscribe our YouTube channel. So guys, let's start it. Wow. Oh, good spot. चलो चलो
Wow, wow. Oh God, oh no.
This prawn fish and mixed onion and mixed with yellow powder and cumin powder, this and this one dhone powder, mustard oil mixed with this tata salt. Chalo. I'll leave that is salt now. Now it's ready to eat. Chalo. Wow. Wow.
Wow. Very tasty guys, very tasty. Oh. Wow.